Hey you guys. Wait, hold on. Alright, so lots of you guys were like, okay, can you please tell me how to style your wavy hair? I did a review on this gorgeous hair. Excuse my background, you guys. I am not home. I'm away for some exciting stuff. But anyways, this gorgeous hair. So I believe this wig is one of my to-go wigs, and I never thought in a million years that I would have like a wavy hair, or I should say long wavy hair, because short wavy hair and long wavy hair is two different things. Long wavy hair consists of a lot of time and a lot of maintenance. This hair, however, this hair is freaking, it's not major long, but it's long and it's wavy hair, and it's one of my to-go wigs. So today I'll be showing you guys how I style this wig right here, and why not do it in like the realest possible way. So I went ahead and did it right after I did my makeup, and you know, show you guys the steps on exactly what I do to style this hair. If you want to know the review, I have that link down below. I'll go ahead and watch the video and see how I styled it. Super easy, you guys. Anybody could do it. And I'll have all the products that I use and all the products that I use for that is best for this hair linked down below in the description bar as well, you guys. So we're back. So I didn't do a voiceover on this video, as you guys can see, but can you tell that this hair is just super bomb, super gorgeous, and you like totally need it now? So the links will be down below. Dsoar hair, you did amazing on this hair. Bomb quality stuff. Like yo, I'm just so surprised. I never thought, you know, a long wavy hair would make it to my to-go wigs list. Girl, she's very low maintenance. If you don't got time like me, girl, you should get her. The link will be down below. I did enough talking, and the video and the hair itself, the quality is just so convincing itself. If you want a long wavy hair that's low maintenance, then this is the route to go, you guys. The link will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And like always, till next time.